On everyone, Sam here with Layton Sports Cards. We've been one box of 23 Panini Select Football Hobby for Dustin C. It's good luck here, Dustin. Let's do it, my friend. See what we got. 23 Select Football Hobby. Ripped a lot of this today already, which is I'm always in on. I'm always in on it for sure. Yes, Green Chat Redemption is out of 5, which is awesome, the green. Devontae Adams, Drew Pearson, Jamar Chase, Tyreek Hill. I'll see a 101 for you here, Dustin, or an XRC. Xavier Hutchinson, Silver Cooper Cup, CMC, Peter Skoronski. Henry Toa. That is Calais Campbell. Nice one there. Whoa. Nice one there, too, at 149. Rookie jersey auto be Elijah Higgins to 199 for the Cardinals. Whoa. Oh, damn it. Elijah Higgins for the Cardinals. Hello, Candler. Tyson Badgett. Oh, hell yeah, Forrest. That and in tomato soup, dude. It's undefeated. Blake Grupe, that is a silver. Will Levis. Tommy DeVito to 259 on the rookie. Tricolor. Broderick Jones. Kobe Turner, that is a Travis Kelce field level tricolor to 75. Nice one there. Let me tell you right now, Kenny. Marvin, no. After this, probably like 20 minutes, I would say. DTR, rookie jersey auto to 199 for the Browns. Josh Jacobs. Silva, Bryce Young. DK, Dick Butkus, and Dak Prescott. Donald Silver, Javonte Williams, Garrett Wilson, Lucas Van Ness. Silva, Devon A-Chain, Jalen Carter, Izzy Abanaconda. White coming up here. Xavier Hutchinson, silver. CeeDee Lamb and Jaron Hall. Nice one there. Two-color patch, 2 at 75 for the Minnesota Vikings. Very cool. Congrats on that. Good stuff, Mr. Dustin. And a Bijan. Silver, T. Higgins, Will Levis, Jordan Addison. Silver, Deshaun Watson. Ocho Cinco to 149 on the tricolor for the Bengals. Tyreek Hill and Trevor Lawrence. Silver, Jalen Warren. There's another Travis Kelce to 225 on the tricolor. Second tricolor, Killatrav. This one premier level. Other one field level. And Ndwike Uzoma. Dustin, that'll do it for your break, my friend. Thanks again, as always, for the support. Get that right out to you, buddy.